Yes, Massive and Crew back once again with another video, and in this video episode I'm going to bring you a series of lost interviews that I've recorded along on my travels, and I didn't actually get a chance to do anything with them. So starting the ball off, we've got James and BANGFACE. Caught up with him for a little catch up at the Bangsterdam party. For those who don't know, BANGFACE for me is one of my most favourite places to play at, just because of the fact that the crowd there are so diverse. They're into so much, you know, very open-minded, and they're very open-minded to beats, man. You can play as hard as you like there and they will just love it, man. They will just lap it up, man, and that's what I like about playing to the BANGFACE Hard Crew Massive. With the man like James from BANGFACE.
Busy. The man.
James the man. He gave me the opportunity to play at BANGFACE.
Not the man, he forgot me.
So how's it going? Tell the people a bit about BANGFACE and the BANGFACE Massive. And
you know, we kind of don't forget, never forget TDK.
Yeah, they forgot TDK on the
but he made it.
On the whole itinerary, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, that's the word I was looking for.
Itinerary.
That's it. Did you get on the mic though?
Yeah, he's on there. Yeah, he's on
Yes! Let me hear you make some noise! Yes! The sound of the Bridget Man! Yes!
We're BANGFACE in Amsterdam, aren't we? So
yeah. So we're on a
I'm not sure why or how we're here.
But
It's been 15 years, so BANGFACE is 15 years this year.
15 years now.
Yeah, it still feels like a young event compared to like old school.
Like life goes by. So
Yeah, exactly.
When you first started, what was it like? What was your first rave?
First rave, I was 16.
Yeah. Serious. And was it like
91 or something like that?
Was it a big rave from the get-go? What was it? A college
It was.
thing, or?
No. It was a rave in a quarry. It was like, you know, mates at school. They had brothers with like mobile phones, and we just got in the car, you know.
And
M25.
And where did the name BANGFACE come from?
Oh man, wow. I kind of made it up.
Yeah.
It was just a silly thing.
Because it's totally original name, isn't it?
Well, yeah, and then it was. I just made it up basically. I was DJing. I started DJing again, and I did 4 gigs in like 4 days.
Yeah.
And I used to do this, like, I just had a group of all my mates on email, like an email group. I just said, and they were just getting pissed off at me DJing. They were like, why are you DJing? Like, shouldn't you have quit years ago? I was like, well, I sort of quit, and then I've come back into it, and I'm really enjoying it. So I used to annoy them with these emails, going, you've got to come to this rave, and it wasn't a rave. It was just like DJing in a pub.
Yeah.
And I was doing 4 like small things, pubs. One was a warehouse in Hackney, and there's a few other bits. And I just sent them an email. I was like, "You've got to come to this." Everyone's calling it BANGFACE, the birth of Neo Rave, and they were like, "Just fuck off, take me off your list." And that's where it came from.
So yeah, it
was just trying to annoy my mates. Yeah. It was something really silly, and it stuck.
Because I remember you did that boat party. This was a while ago.
Yeah.
And it sold out in 40 odd seconds.
It crashed, didn't it? And it sold out in 40 seconds.
That's fucking serious, man.
Yeah.
That's serious.
Whose face is it?
It's my brother. When he had hair. Yeah.
Big up Venetian Snares in the place there, look.
There it is. Venetian Snares smashed it up, didn't he?
Oh mate, you know what? I really did want to see his set, man, because it's like.
I did a live Facebook of it. So.
Oh, you did, yeah. So it'll be there, yeah. Yeah, I've got to check it out, man. It's so clever by the way he does stuff, man. It's just.
Busy, you've been
keep the light, man.
You've been supporting BANGFACE, haven't you, from the early days?
Yeah, man. What's the first BANGFACE I did? It was in the Electro Works, wasn't it?
It would have been, yeah.
Yeah, ages ago, and it was just like coming to BANGFACE and DJing was just like playing to such an open-minded crowd when it comes to the beats. Do you know what I mean? It's like you play a lot of other raves, and like most people, like you've got to be very selective with what you play, because if you go too deep, you kind of always lose the crowd. But here, you can just do. You've got freedom to just play what you want to play,
really
and they get it. You know what I mean?
Cool.
Yeah, and I've heard a lot of DJs say that.
Right. Yeah.
You know, I've always said that about BANGFACE. It's great that you created this.
I think it's because like I remember like I remember like that rave period, like 91 to like 94. Because that was my time for going out and being silly.
Yeah, and it's like the platform for electronic music.
Yeah,
do you know
and things were really fun back then.
Yeah.
So I just thought, if anything, just keep it fun.
Because it used to be like, for me, it was just like literally one style of like maybe jungle, drum and bass, drum and bass, and it had to be kind of in this certain style. It didn't fit in, and if it was weird or it didn't, if it didn't fit in, it sounded weird to people, and it wasn't really accepted. But with you, you come in, you just do your thing. You know what I mean? And
anything goes.
This was great. This was great about it. You never know what to expect.
I'm just a big Busy Bee fan, man. That's it. Secretly. If I had to pick a top 10, there'd be a few Busy tracks in there.
Wicked, man. So guys, hope you enjoyed the video, hope you found it interesting. Don't forget to give us a big thumbs up if you liked it. Please like, share, subscribe. Take care. God bless. Peace.
I'm a everyday junglist.